Alright, here we go, guys. Got CheFPV, Zero Ground FPV. We're at the homestead for the in-laws, Christmas Eve, which is when we do Christmas with all the kiddos and the grandkids. So it's got a little break in what you see is rain. Got to get some stick time, man. It's my birthday. So we are strapped into the Coyote by All Carbon RC, 5051, Racecraft, and Black Star Drone 2205, 2300s. You ready? Let's do it. A little too close to the fence.